showing him some of our infrastructure. He's going to help us do some work on the property, which is awesome because I need more help.
Large, and you can easily shoot them. I've shot a gazillion of those, but we don't have those here. He's come up and tunneled around, and when they come through, they'll just eat the roots off, and you'll have this hollyhock that's like 10 feet tall, covered with flowers, and one day you'll look at it, it'll be wilted, and you'll come over and you go, "What's wrong?" And you'll touch it, and it'll fall off, and you pick it up, and this root, which was this big, is shaped like a pencil sharp that's been sharpened. And the entire root's gone. We lost all of our apples in the orchard that way. Trees that were 10 years old. Cherry. This is the first time I've seen it in a long time this year, and we thought that was ironic because I just bought seeds to grow it.
It's pretty.
Yes, it's got a little Chinese lantern sort of a thing, and when you rip it open, these are past the best use by date, but they're in the tomato family, and they have a little. You can see the seediness of this.
Yeah.
But they are a little fruit, and you can eat them, and. So I've actually got seeds. We're going to try it this coming year because one of our problems here is we haven't been able to grow fruit. All our fruit trees have been generally a failure. They've been generally munched. Blackberries and raspberries don't do well here. And beautifully this year.
We need to get rid of all of those tumbleweeds.
Yeah, I need gloves though. I need to tumbleweed.
These are tumbleweed?
Those are tumbleweeds. Those are small tumbleweeds.
Those are tiny tumbleweeds. They came late this summer, but if you pet them gently, they're actually beautiful when you look at them really closely. Yeah, there's a bunch of the seal bugs on them. Because each little thing is a bloom. So they're really quite pretty.
Oh, you got little spikes on them too.
Yeah, but when you pet them, and these are actually imported from Russia. Some idiot brought them to the United States thinking they'd make great forage. And they do until they're about that tall, at which point they become spiky and the cows won't touch them. So, unless you, it's kind of, you know.
Zelkova, Tree of Heaven, these things, Russian sage.
Yeah, yeah. Well, Russian sage there's a domestic plant called Russian sage too, which is beautiful. But these beasts, you can see the stickers on them.
Yeah, they're hardy.
And yeah, that beast. This is another one of our beasts. It's called solanum. Let's see if I can find one that's blooming. They have beautiful. This is in the nightshade family.
Yeah. Beautiful purple flowers.
Purple flowers. They're a classic nightshade flower. But look at the stem on those things.
Oh.
And it's a translucent sticker that gets into your skin. You can't see it, but you can feel it because it hurts like a you know what. And now you're trying to get it out. And yeah.
And they're not real soft either.
They're a nice good plant. Actually, again, kind of a slightly herbaceous smell.
Yeah.
You know, but
not the horehound you make the drops out of.
I don't know if it is or not. But now these are soggy. So, but see, each flower turns into that thing with the spikies on top. Sticks in your clothes, sticks in your dog, sticks in your cat, sticks in your toes, and they're a perennial.
You've got your own cockleburs in this area.
Yes. But there's a prickly pear.
Do you ever harvest the prickly pear?
Actually, we have a whole bunch of prickly pear jelly. If you'd like to taste them, you're more than welcome to. We were very sad because the prickly pear jelly in New Mexico tastes different. And we really like the stuff in New Mexico. We don't care for the stuff as much here. But this is a small type of prickly pear. We actually have some on the edge of the yard that we imported before we realized we didn't like the flavor of the stuff that was here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So it was taken down. It took down most of the wall of the bed, PVC and all, just gone. And we put it back together, I want to say 2 or 3 times right before Penzic, and I finally said screw it. And that's what the pile of stuff over there was. But I was able to keep this one on because it protects it from hailstorms. We're in a very violent weather area. So we came back and all the PVC pipe that was on that rack over there was up in the trees. And the front 6 feet of the roofing on the workshop was peeled back, and that's roll roofing there. And back window on the house is cracked, and everything you can see, everything had just been picked up. And I have seen our lawn furniture is not plastic, generally speaking. There's 1 or 2 pieces that are, but most of it's metal. I have seen one of those dust devils come through. They come through, and I've seen them come real close to breaking one of the dining room windows by picking up a chair that was here and throwing it down and hitting the wall with it.
Oof.
Yeah, you don't. If you hear them coming, you get inside.
Okay.
And worst case, you duck and cover and hold your breath.